question, we have in which quadrant is the number 6 minus 8i located on the complex plane? Okay, so I know this may sound really overwhelming just by looking at the question, but honestly, if you remember your coordinates, right? So let's take a look at your x and y axis. So this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis, right? So what they're trying to do here is they're trying to break down your x and y coordinates. So if you have your 6 over here, they're going to write this as 6. So that's going to be your x coordinate, and your y coordinate is simply going to be the number that is multiplied to your imaginary number. And in this case, it's going to be minus 8, right? So this is going to be 6 comma negative 8, right? So typically when we're learning this, right, back in middle school, if we try to look at coordinates, this means your x is going to be 6 and then your y is going to be negative 8, right? So all we have to do is really plot that over here. And as you can see, in which quadrant is the number 6 negative 8i located on the complex plane? It's going to be found in quadrant 4, right? It's simple as that. All you have to do is extract. So here we see that if this number is multiplied to your I, it becomes your y coordinate. And if you look at 6, that's going to be your x coordinate. So anything that is multiplied to I, that becomes your y coordinate. So that's why this is found in quadrant 4. Okay, so I don't think this is really that hard. Okay, let's see what they wrote. Okay, so we have a comma b. That's what they did, and that's what we did. And then you have the complex number 6 minus 8i. Point in the complex plane would be 6 comma negative 8. Exactly what we did. Let's see. The point 6 comma negative 8 will lie in the fourth quadrant because the value of x is a positive real number, and the value of y. Okay, yeah, it's pretty much what we did. So perfect solution and answer. Okay, great. So the solution is correct.